guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Mouli and welcome to another makeup tutorial video. But in this video I will be trying out very beautiful products and they are very affordable as well. So I have recently bought them. I have individually reviewed some of them as well, so I will leave the link for you guys above in the eye. You can go ahead and check that one out after watching this video. Okay, so let's start off with the primer. I have already prepped up my face and I'm going to take a nice amount of primer concentrating towards my T-zone, and then I'm going to spread it all over on my face because on the T-zone we have the maximum pores. After that I'm going to mix up this two foundation which is from Faces Canada and Huda Beauty. Huda Beauty gives absolute full coverage, but the Faces Canada ones I just don't like. So I just mix this two foundation and just to make it work I just use it up. I also have this in my project pen, so I kind of have to push myself to use it up. So that's why I'm just going to draw some dots across all over my face and neck. Then I'm going to take a damp sponge and I'm going to push my foundation towards my face. Now this is a very therapeutic thing. If you are into damp sponge, definitely you're going to enjoy it over brushes. So I have a big pimple right over on my nose, so I just need to cover it up. So I'm just going for second coat, and here let's go on with the contouring. I'm not going to use any concealer as such because it's a very full coverage foundation and it will oxidize in a bit, so it will become my skin tone in a bit. So I'm just placing my contour cream all over on the hollows of my cheeks, a little bit on the sides of my nose, hairline, cut the double chin, and then I'm gonna take the same damp sponge and I'm gonna press it again. I'm just gonna slowly blend it, and as you guys can see on the hollows of my cheeks I'm just going in a downward strokes. If you have a lot of fat accumulated on your face, you can go on this shape. It will give you structure. I'm gonna go for a cream blush and I'm taking this Iba Must Have cream blush. This is the first time I'm gonna be applying this over on my cheeks. This is the new purchase of mine. I have just used it once on my lips, and as you guys can see I was quite surprised with the blending property of this product because it just blends right into the skin. It's so beautiful and so creamy, does not remove my foundation whatsoever. Later on I'm gonna go on with the loose powder because I need to set my under eye. Also my smile line comes really fast, so I need to prevent that. Also underneath contour just to make it more chiseled and more sharp, and also a little bit on the forehead, like just between my eyebrows. Now I'm gonna go on with a bronzer because contouring was good but it was giving a little bit shadow, but I need a tanned look for today. That's why I'm taking this Physicians formula and I'm just brushing over the contour wherever I have placed my contour. I don't have any specific agenda, I'm just going very roughly. Now let's move on to highlighter, and for that I'm taking my Revolution Pro highlighter. It's a very beautiful illuminating highlighter. As you guys can see, this is kind of a glow which looks very healthy on the skin. I just love this stuff. This is an additional step which will give you a very airbrushed flawless look. I'm not taking any excess product, just dabbing my wet sponge all across my face just to mesh my makeup with each other. You can definitely incorporate this step in your routine. You should actually. Later on I'm gonna move on to my eyebrow, and for that I'm gonna take my PAC Walnut Wax eyebrow pomade and I'm taking an angled brush and I'm just filling in my sparse areas. I'm starting from the midsection of my eyebrows where my eyebrows are thicker, where everyone's eyebrows are thicker, and for my front section I'm not taking any extra products. I'm just striking some hair-like strokes with the same brush. This is gonna be kind of a monochromatic look, so I'm gonna pick up this Faces Canada All-Time Pro eyeshadow palette, mixing up this two shade, and I'm just placing it on the outer 1/3 of my eyelid, and also I'm blending it towards my crease and also placing it on the lower lash line with the same fluffy blending brush. I just need a flecks of color, not too much. After that I'm gonna pick up this beautiful glittery shade with the help of my finger, but it was not picking up that much. As you guys can see, I'm having trouble with that, so I had to pick it up for like 4 to 5 times to get the maximum pigmentation even with finger. Placing the color on the lower lash line with a pencil brush. After that I'm gonna take this Hilary Rhoda palette and I'm gonna take this beautiful sea green sort of a color and I'm just placing it on the inner corner of my eyes. I thought that this will backfire me, but it did not, luckily, and I kind of matched with my outfit as well. After that I'm coating my lashes with the Faces Canada mascara. The wand is absolutely amazing. It's thick, beautiful, it coats every single lashes. And to complete this look, of course, we need a lipstick, and I'm taking this Inside matte lip color. It's beautiful color. The first impression was very good. It's so pigmented, beautiful. And yes, with that our final finished look is here. Alright, so this is my final finished look for you guys. I really hope you guys enjoyed it, and this blush is a must have. I think I'm gonna recommend a lot of things from this video, like the lipstick, the lashes, the blushes. I am just living in the moment. Inner corner and this brown lipstick did not backfire me, and that's great. And yeah, that concludes this video. If you are seeing this damn face for the first time, then please take a moment to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon, so whenever I will post new videos in future, you will get a notification of that. And all the products that I have used in this video have been linked down in the description box below, along with my social socials in case you want to check me out there, then you can. And yeah, that was a long as outro. I don't want to make this outro any longer and painful for you to watch. I'm gonna sign off now. I will see you guys on the next one. Love you. Bye.